Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the world of peer-to-peer lending and uncovering the potential for generating passive income through this alternative investment opportunity. Whether you're looking to diversify your investment portfolio or seeking passive income streams, peer-to-peer lending offers unique advantages and considerations. Let's delve into the pros and cons of peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending, also known as P2P lending or crowd lending, is a form of lending that connects individual lenders with borrowers through online platforms. In this system, borrowers receive loans funded by individual investors, bypassing traditional financial institutions. Let's explore how peer-to-peer lending works and its potential for passive income generation. Peer-to-peer lending offers several advantages for investors seeking passive income. We'll discuss the pros of peer-to-peer lending, including potentially higher returns compared to traditional investments, diversification of investment portfolios, and the ability to earn passive income from interest payments. Despite its benefits, peer-to-peer lending also has its drawbacks and risks. We'll explore the cons of peer-to-peer lending, such as the potential for loan defaults and late payments, lack of liquidity compared to traditional investments, and the need for thorough due diligence and risk management. Selecting the right peer-to-peer lending platform is crucial for success in peer-to-peer lending. We'll discuss factors to consider when evaluating peer-to-peer lending platforms, such as reputation, track record, loan diversification options, and investor protection measures. Mitigating risks and maximizing returns are essential strategies for successful peer-to-peer lending. We'll cover risk management techniques such as diversifying your loan portfolio, conducting thorough borrower due diligence, and setting conservative investment criteria to protect your capital and optimize your returns. Monitoring and managing your peer-to-peer investments require ongoing attention and diligence. We'll discuss tools and strategies for tracking your loan portfolio, managing loan defaults and late payments, and optimizing your investment strategy based on performance metrics and market conditions. Peer-to-peer lending is subject to regulatory and legal considerations that vary by jurisdiction. We'll explore common regulatory issues and legal challenges associated with peer-to-peer lending, such as compliance requirements, tax implications, and investor protections. In conclusion, peer-to-peer lending can be a viable option for generating passive income, but it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and conduct thorough research before investing. By understanding the risks and implementing sound investment strategies, you can potentially earn attractive returns while diversifying your investment portfolio. Thank you for watching VoiceOver. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of peer-to-peer lending and its potential for passive income generation. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investment strategies. Until next time, happy investing.